Abu Sulaiman al-Darani rahimahullah, he said, anyone who fills himself up, he's going to suffer 6 consequences. Anyone who eats too much, there's going to be 6 afat, 6 harms that he's going to endure. The first one is فقد حلاوة المناجات. You're going to miss the sweetness of when you speak to Allah at night time. You're going to miss out on that one. It's going to take it from you. وتعذر عليه, also what you suffer and you're going to struggle with is حفظ الحكمة. You're going to lose out memorizing wisdom. You lose the Quran being the first, the Sunnah being the second, and any other thing, you'll struggle. You'll just be a person who lives for his stomach, so the brain starts to lose wisdom. Also, وحرمان الشفقة على الخلق. You also lose, which is another one, you lose the ability to sympathize with other people. Because what do you do? لأنه إذا شبع, when you become full, you start to think everybody else is like you. Oh, can't he just get Kellogg's Frosties? Can't he just have cereal then? Whoa, this is Africa, this is this country, this is this poor country, they don't have it. You start thinking they can get Weetabix, or they can get cereal, or something like that. Also what happens is, وَثِقَلٌ, you find heaviness when it comes to ibadah. وَزِيَادَةُ الشَّهَوَاتِ, also another harm is what? The increase of what? Your desires. And the last and final one is, when the believers, they go to, he said, وَإِنَّ سَائِرَ الْمُؤْمِنِينَ, and the other remaining believers, they are in the masajids, and that's where they roam around. You will find this person roaming around restaurants and milkshake spots and ice cream shops and stuff. That's where you find him. All he's thinking about is food, food, food. He comes to a lecture. When he comes, after that for him, it's what? It's food, because it's a form of socialization. Just in case you find me eating at a restaurant. Please don't understand it. But I'm saying we can't eat as well. We can. If you want to go eat, you can eat at any restaurant after Salah or Dars. Just in case you catch me in a restaurant, anywhere local here, after the Dars. You guys are not going to say anything, are you? Alhamdulillah.